Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome to my channel. I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers, and if today is your first time of coming across my video, I want to say you are highly welcome. Okay, each time you watch my video, please don't forget to like it, give comments, share my video, tell a friend to subscribe, and as you do that, God bless you. And if you have been watching my video and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Click that red subscribe button and then click the bell icon, so that each time I upload new content, you'll be among the first people that will receive it. Okay, today I want to put us through how to sew our plackets. So this is what I want to put up. Okay, sometimes I've sewn the collar before, but today I just put on this placket. Let us see it. Okay, I want to assume we know how to cut our basic bodies, but if you don't know how to cut the basic body, please just scroll down my channel. You will find it there. You will find the video for it there. I've cut the front panel. That's what we're going to use. That's what we're going to base on. Okay, this is all we need. This is the front one that we need for the placket we are going to put. Okay, so what do? I haven't gotten this neckline. I want us to see very well. Okay, I haven't got this our cut. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get the center of this place. I will get the center, fold it to be on the silver side, fold it this way. This is the center, so you can just put your chalk. I don't want to put color chalk so that it doesn't stain it. So then I will need about 6 inches down. Put 6 inches or make it 6.5. It depends on how long you want it to be. I leave it at 6.5. Okay, 6.5. Remember, let me use color chalk so that it will be easier for us to take note of it. Then you open it back. Okay, we've gotten our center. So what is the next thing I'm going to do? I'm going to cut the flip I'm going to use for it. So I say 22 inches wide and then 7.5 long. 2 inches is okay. By the time you sew it, it will end up being about 1.5 at the end of it. Okay, I can cut this through. Okay, remember I need 7.5. So this is my first 7.5, which I marked, and the second 7.5. Okay, so this is it. So what is the next thing I'm going to do? Instead of having 2 inches wide, it's going to be 1.5. We made this one 2 inches because we are still going to sew it, so it's going to be 1.5. Just one side of it we are going to put it. I'm going to press it and I'm going to put it in, give hot press to gum it there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut what I will use to turn this, because I will have to turn it. Okay, I've sewn around the neck, so I'll be turning it. Before I turn it, I notch this round. The notch. Okay, I've turned it and then stitched it. So we're now going to get the center. You can still press it after you have turned it. Okay, so if you remember, I've put the center here. I've created the center. So we're going to place This is our placket there, our placket there. Okay, look at it. I use one side, so you have to be very careful how you are going to place it, because the one with the gum stay is going to be the one up, so it's going to go this way. Okay, so I'm going to stitch this place, the second one stitch it too, and I turn it. Okay, we'll be placing the placket there. Okay, this is it. So with from the line we created, the center line, about half an inch to where the fabric is. So half an inch here, making about 1 inches from the center. That's where you're going to stitch. Okay, so let's go. Make sure you don't miss it. Just about an inch to where the center is. Okay, so I will be measuring 6. I'm going to stop the sewing by 6 inches. I'm going to stop it here. Okay, so I take the second one. This is where the gum stay is, so it's going to go this way. I follow the same procedure. One inch interval from the center. That's the same procedure. I'm going to sew 1 inch interval from the center. I'll be following the same procedure with the second side here. Okay, the interfacing is at this side, so this side is going to be placed. You must be very careful when you're stitching it up, so that the interfacing is the one that is facing up. Okay, it's going to be the same procedure. 1 inch from the center, half inch from the line, the half inch from the what we are sewing. So you're going to sew it this way, just the same procedure. And I'm going to stop at 6 inches here too. Stop at the same place. Has to be the same place. We're not going to paste the inside now. I'm going to paste there. I'm going to paste so that we can insert it inside. So what do we do? Look at it. I want us to pay close attention here. So this is how we're going to cut it. We cut to meet this place, to the end of this place. We cut to the end of this place. That's why they must be the same. You go and meet this. And cut this one off. So the next thing, we're going to enter this one this way. This one comes there. You can see this place is because it has not reached the end very well. So make sure you notch it to the end there very well. Mint ironing, and this one also goes in like this. So I'm going to give it a good press. This one is a bit lower than this. Okay, so by the time I press it now, it's going to form shape with it. So I will. This is very simple. Okay, so I will put my button here and the buttonhole. Then this one I'm going to stitch the two together at the back. I'm going to sew it together. This. Okay, I'll be stitching the underneath of it. So I stitch it this way. You can see how neat it is. By the time you press it now, very hot iron, going to come out well. You see as it as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to give the thumbs up, like it, share it to a friend, tell a friend to subscribe. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.